up? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys all remember, about a week or so ago I kind of did like a lookbook for like a back to school and back to college and back to any of these other places, you know, that I'm not really familiar with really. But anywho, so as you guys remember this video, pretty much I got like a lot of comments like, oh my god, which school are you attending that you're not getting dress coded? So first thing first, I do want to mention that this lookbook was really more into like college, everyday, airport kind of vibes, and also college, I guess, during winter time. I don't really know, but yeah. But anyways, today I decided to do something, you know, more conservative for you guys. And today we're actually going to be doing some DIY designer on a budget for, you know, school or whatever. And I definitely made sure that, you know, you're not going to be getting dress coded this time. So without further ado, let's just get this video started. Okay, so starting off this DIY, we're gonna be heading to downtown LA. Now, if you guys are not living in LA, that's absolutely okay. I'm actually gonna be linking everything down below in the description so that you guys can get that as well, you know, and slay your life. Oh my god, you guys, so I'm here in downtown and look at all these really beautiful patches they have over here. And look at the prices. This is like $2 to $50, $3. This is like so amazing, and you can create so many beautiful things with that. And look, they have like the Chanel perfume inspired bottle right over there, and like so many cute things. Oh my goodness, they even have Hello Kitty, which I'm obsessed with. If you know me, then you know. And yeah, all this really cute stuff. As you can see, they have like the beetle and then the bees right over there. I'm trying to move very slow, as you can probably see, but honestly I'm just like obsessed with everything in here because I'm kind of thinking, oh my god, I can do so many DIYs in here. It's absolutely unreal. I'm absolutely loving the store. Oh my goodness. Okay, so my next stop is definitely the H&M store because they have so many basic and cute outfits that you can buy for like a very low price. So I'm gonna be going there right now just to get some items that I need. So as you can see, I'm right here in the men's sections at the H&M store. So I'm definitely gonna be getting that because it's kind of like $10 and it's pretty cute and it's just like pretty cozy as well. I already have one of these, but I'm gonna just get another one just for that to make another cute sweatshirt. So now that I'm back home, we're going to be starting this DIY finally. So I'm going to be grabbing my E6000 glue, and you're also going to be needing some toothpicks so that you're not, you know, messing up anything because E6000 is really strong. You're also going to be needing one of these disposable plates, and yeah, and of course the Moschino or Moschino toy teddy bear, whatever it is that you want to call it, that I got in downtown LA. Also, as you can see, pretty much all I'm doing from here, I'm just taking my glue and just attach it to the bear. Now, pretty much the girl in the store mentioned that you pretty much need to sew it, but honestly, anybody got time for that, sis? So we're gonna be using this E6000 glue to make it even better. And as you can see, all I'm gonna be doing, I'm pretty much taking the bear once again and just press it into the fabric really well so that it's not, you know, moving or any of that. It's so cute, and you guys, this sweatshirt is actually $600 in store. So now moving on to my next DIY, and as you can see, we have a really beautiful backpack which I ruined with this coloring method, whatever that is. So pretty much all you're gonna be doing, or actually skip that step at all unless you actually have something that is white, because honestly you guys, as you probably saw, it promised me to be pink but it didn't. So just wait for that. But honestly, once again, I just wanted to experiment a little bit color fabric kind of a thing, so I did that. But as you can see, this is actually kind of like reddish rather than being pinkish as it was supposed to be from the first place. But as you can see, all I'm doing, I'm pretty much just taking everything into a warm water, and I mixed it up with some salt at the beginning, and all I did pretty much is just like destroying the bag. So once again, you can totally skip that part unless your item is white, like pure white, and that's when you're gonna be getting this really beautiful pink color that you want to achieve. But if you have anything that is not white, you're gonna be getting some ugly color, you guys. So just make sure you know that, because here it is, and after a few hours you should be getting something just as ugly as I did. Like so. But anyways, from here, once it dried up and everything was pretty much ready to go, I took the backpack, and as you can see, it was pretty red, and I took my E6000 glue once again, and I took this really cute Gucci Who, and once again I took the E6000, and pretty much I just applied some glue to the B, and that's where all that there was to it. Pretty much just like the sweatshirt, but you know, a lot. I don't want to say like a lot better really, because honestly the the fabric color kind of like disturbed me in a way. So I'm definitely not going to be using this backpack, but I will definitely going to be adding that to my Depop shop. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to link it down in the descriptions as well. Into my favorite DIY, as you can see, I got these earring clips from Amazon, as well as these rubber thingies that comes with them. Now some of them doesn't come with this, so just make sure you get this together. And then I also got a plier, and also a Chanel buttons. You can literally use any other button that you have, which is cute, you know, like a vintage one kind of. And then from here, all I did pretty much, I took the earring clip along with this rubber thing, and I put them together. Pretty sure there is a better way to describe it, but you already know the drill. Now obviously I would suggest you, if you can, you know, glue them together, then maybe you're gonna do that, but for me this one was okay. And then as you can see from here, I just removed the back part of the button, so I had to remove that in order for me to glue that part into the actual clip. So that was like really easy, because as you can see, I used this glue gun, so it literally dried within like a second ever since I put them together. So that was pretty easy and pretty dope. And as you can see, we have a vintage Chanel allegedly earrings. Ta-da! Next DIY, as you can see, you're gonna need a white button shirt, which you probably have if you're attending school. You're also gonna be needing a needle and thread, and last, you're gonna be needing those really cute Chanel buttons. Once again, there is so many options from these, so I'm definitely gonna be, you know, linking some more. Now, as you can see, I took these really mini tiny scissors just to make sure that I'm not destroying the shirt, because best believe that I'm able to do so. But anyways, I just removed the old buttons. Not that those were too old, the shirt actually have its tag on it just yet. I didn't remove that. So anyways, from here I took the needle and thread, and as you can see, I just hand sewing it really easily, nothing too complicated, if you know what I mean. And after, you know, 6 buttons or so, you should be getting something just beautiful like this one. Ta-da! So that completes my video, you guys. As always, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys do recreate any of these looks, then please feel free to tag me at Glam by Roxy on my Instagram so I can see it and like it. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friend. I do know that you guys are probably ones to slay alone in school, which I understand, I really am. But again, feel free to share the love and share this video. And that is pretty much it. If you did like this video, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!